So guys, I hope that you find today, as you might know, today is Mother's Day. I just want to make this quick video just to give a big shout out to all mothers out there, especially you guys that are actually, subscribing to my YouTube channel, follow my content over the months that I've been uploading new stuff on YouTube and Facebook. I just want to take this opportunity just to tell you that today's a really great day for your mother. You just gotta, spend the time with her. Basically, myself, I am in my mother's house, right? I'm in another place, but it's in her house today that I am spending the whole day with her. Although I have a lot of stuff to do, and I just really wanted to take this time and take this opportunity just to give her this day because it's hers, right? And I just wanna, guys, send my big shout out to your mom, your mothers, the whole family, that you have. It's a great day, and just spend it because that's what you have in life. Okay, what else you can do better? So thank you guys for your time, for just following my content on YouTube and Facebook, etc. It's been a pleasure for me just to receive all the great comments and a lot of messages over the months. And I'm just gonna keep on doing the great stuff that I'm doing, just uploading new videos on YouTube and doing a lot of great things there. And I hope that I'm just going to improve my YouTube channel and my content be better for you guys. So I'm working really hard just to do that. Okay, now I'm just gonna speak a little Haitian Creole. Je dis en son grand jour, généralement c'est jour fête maman. Je dis en Kawel là, moi pas Pétionville, ok? Moi en pleine, quand maman. Donc ma fête jour ensemble avec elle. On connaît tout bail l'homme créé de manière civilisationnelle. Donc je bail ça aussi l'homme créé. Au fond, il n'y a pas rien, mais une fois que nous créons, même avec l'heure. Time, ça n'a pas aucune substance derrière, mais quand même, une fois que l'homme crée, donc obligé de pouvoir vivre en civilisation, obligé d'utiliser tout pour survivre. Mais en soi, on va rien. Mais ça veut dire qu'on ne peut pas utiliser, ça veut dire qu'on ne peut pas faire tout. Même si en soi on connaît qui ça oui, mais on toujours faire, et on toujours prendre distance ensemble avec eux. Je dis comme dans le cas où moi, j'aime dire, carrément, même si je suis ensemble avec là, et je me décafé vidéo ensemble avec elle. Et mais regarde parce qu'ils ont fait sortir, ok? Ça fait pas faire vidéo ensemble avec elle. Mais quand même, moi passer temps ensemble avec elle et j'espère passer plus toujours. Et demain si je me caler le côté de m'aller. Mais moi dimanche là, moi en pleine, ok? La caille parle ensemble avec elle, ok? So merci un peu parce que nous suivons vidéo channel là, Septembre Vlog on Facebook, ok? Sur Facebook. Sur YouTube, okay? C'est un plaisir pour moi ensemble avec nous. Merci déjà. Okay, so thank you guys for watching my videos, my content on YouTube, and I just want to say thank you to you guys, especially in the United States of America and in Haiti. I have a lot of people in Haiti watching my content as well. So I just want to thank you guys for all your support, and I'm just going to keep on doing this great job and making a lot of great content there. So I hope to see you in the next video that I am basically preparing. I'm preparing a lot of videos, a lot of content on Haitian Creole, on English. I'm going to have a couple of videos in English as well. I'm preparing. I've released some new videos on my YouTube channel today. It's about English as a global language. I really encourage you to check it out. It's very important with Professor David Crystal, one of my mentor when it comes to linguistics, language learning, etc. So guys, thank you, and I hope to see you again.
Learning Haitian Creole. I'm going to be giving you a quick Haitian Creole class with my mother. It's going to be a crash course. Mom, glorious. How are you? Comment? Yeah. I'm fine. When?
Bien.
And you?
You, man.
Thank you.
Merci.
Merci. And this is her that I was talking to you about. And today is Mother's Day. As I said, I really want to cherish all the moms out there, especially you guys with the YouTube channel. So guys, so big shout out to you, and I'm just gonna let her to greet you and say bye bye. Let's say bye bye together. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye. All right.